Now here the question is, let z be a complex number satisfying this equation, which is mod of z minus 2 is equal to real part of z. Then we need to find minimum value of mod z minus 4. Now we are given that mod of z minus 2 is equal to real part of z. So we'll take z as x plus iota y. Now we can write this as mod of x minus 2 plus iota y, and real part of z, it is simply x. So it will be under root of x minus 2 square plus y square equals x. So we can write x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square equals x square. So we write this equation as y square equals 4 x minus 1. So basically z lies on this parabola whose focus is at 1, 0. So we'll draw this parabola. It says we'll need to find minimum value of mod z minus 4. So in complex numbers, we know that modulus is basically distance between 2 points. So one of the point is z, which lies on this parabola, and another point is 4, which lies on axis of this parabola. So we need to find the minimum value of this distance between a point on parabola and this fixed point. Now we have already studied that minimum distance will occur along a normal which will pass through this point. So what we'll do is, for this parabola, we'll write equation of normal. So for this parabola, equation of normal will be y equals m. Now in place of x, we'll write x minus 1 minus am cube. A in this case is 1. So it'll be m cube minus 2m. We need that normal which passes through this point 4, 0. So we'll put y as 0 and x as 4. So it'll be 0. And then 3m minus m cube minus 2m. So it'll be m cube minus m equals to 0. We'll get 3 values of m. Either m is 0 or m is 1 or m is minus 1. Now 3 normals can be drawn from this point 4, 0. We need to find shortest distance from this parabola. So we'll write foot of all the 3 normals. So we know that foot of normals is given by am square minus 2am for a parabola which is y square equals 4ax. But we have a parabola which is y square equals 4x minus 1. So in this case, foot of normal will be given by 1 plus am square minus 2am. Now for this parabola, value of a is 1. So now we'll start putting the value of a and we'll start putting in the value of m. So we'll take m as 0. We'll get this point as, say, a, and it will be simply 1, 0. If we'll put m as 1, then we'll get this point, say, b. So a is 1 and m is 1. So it will be 2, minus 2. So b is 2, minus 2. And then we'll find this point which is c when the value of m is minus 1. So we'll put m as minus 1. We'll get this point c as 2, 2. So this point, it will be 2, 2. Now we'll find all these 3 distances and then we'll see which is the minimum distance, and there will be the minimum value of mod z minus 4. So we'll find this AP. So this AP is simply 4 minus 1 and that is 3. And from symmetry we can say that BP must be equal to CP, and this value, it will be under root of 2 square plus 2 square, and that should be 2 root 2. So the minimum value of mod z minus 4 will be simply 2 root 2. And that is the answer to this question.